right, so we got ourselves to a pretty good spot here. Dana and I spent the morning finishing the gable 2x6 trim, and basically the 2x6 down the sides and this gable 2x6 is for us to not only shoot for the edge of the sheathing, the roof sheathing, but these 2x6s down the sides will also be what we hang the gutters from. But we also needed to get them in first because we'll be installing the corner trim, and we're going to butt that up into the bottom of the 2x6, which is basically where we are right now. We've got some 1x4s laid out. We're going to hit them with some of the Kills exterior primer, and then I'm going to try and pre-assemble the corner pieces so that it's a little bit more watertight and a little bit easier to just put that corner piece right on, shoot both sides, and kind of move and groove. But I'll set the camera up as usual, and we'll capture what we can capture. I mean, all we're really doing is painting some wood, so maybe I'll bring you back after we're all finished and we start kind of assembling the corners. But the idea is get the corners all in, and then we can start trimming in the pieces between the butt joints of the siding panels. But so far, so good. So Dana and I finished up most of the trim yesterday before it got too late. I'll show you kind of what we have going on this morning. So we were able to get the gables installed yesterday, and then we painted all the trim. We got the corner pieces. We basically pre-assembled the corners, and then I just shot them in with a 2-inch angled nailer. And then the door frame we put in with some 3-inch screws, just countersunk them. And then we've got to go back and kind of touch up a few spots, but it looks really good. We're very happy with stuff now. We just need to finish today by trimming out all the butt ends of the siding. But I've just started out this morning by going around the building to find like a perfect average of where I want to center those boards, which is 9 inches down from basically these rake board pieces. And I just measured down 9 inches on the other side. You can see I have the chalk line hanging. I'm going to pull it over here, snap a line, and then Dana and I are going to get started with hanging those 12-footers. So let's set the camera up and we'll rock and roll.